Hello,
Hello.
hello, Stephanie. How are you?
Hi, I'm well. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. I watched your introduction video few
Oh,
days
you did?
ago. Yes, and I decided to talk to you, but I lost my subscription actually.
Oh,
So
you lost your. Oh,
yeah, it was over. So
okay.
I bought again today, and fortunately, you are the first one I'm talking to.
What is your name?
My name is Anuj, and I'm from India. Yes,
Nice to meet you, Anush.
nice to meet you too, Steph. And how was your day? What's your time now?
It's 11 a.m. Still morning.
Oh, it means you're early, right?
We're later. Like we're in Peru. It's like the last. We're later.
Later, I
So
thought.
usually in the evening, I imagine of the day, I'm in the morning.
Yes, right.
How was your
It's
day?
it was good. It's
Yeah,
9:42 p.m. right now.
yeah. There we go. In the night. Did you have a
So
good day?
it was nice.
Yeah.
It's been a busy day, but
Yeah.
good. Working
What were
day,
you
busy day,
doing?
but good day.
Yeah.
So I watched you in your intro video, and you seemed so cool, so patient, and
Oh, thank you.
energetic. So I decided to talk to you.
There
And
you go.
finally,
You're welcome.
and tell me,
What
Steph,
yes.
what do you do except tutoring, or just tutoring, teaching here?
I have a cafe in
Oh,
I live in
cool.
Peru in South America, and I have a cafe here. I'm
So,
also a therapist.
mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead.
I'm also a therapist. I do therapies.
Multi-talented staff.
Either that or crazy, maybe.
You like, I think you like to do or you like experiment on several things.
Yeah, I like to
Kind of.
do things that make me happy.
Mm-hmm. It's cool. I'm
Yeah.
I'm also that type of person.
Yeah?
As you
In what
think.
way? What do you
Yes.
do?
So I just want to try new all the time. Something
Yeah?
something new. Yes. Well,
What kind of things do you like? What do you enjoy?
this kind of person is called Jack of all trades.
It is a name you can call someone who does a lot of things.
Jack of all trades. And
Mhm.
so, what are you doing right now? What were you doing before our conversation?
Well, I've been on cambly this morning. That's what I've
So,
that's what
how many lessons did you complete already?
today, honestly, it's been a very slow day. I had
Mm-hmm.
3 reservations and none of them came to their
Oh,
reservations, which is not good. Me.
coincidence. Lost for
Um,
you.
but then I've also had 3 other classes.
Okay, before talking to me,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
look at me. I did book the slot. I just
You did.
connected.
Yeah.
I
Often
directly
they're the
called.
best kind.
You know one thing, what happens? I thought that sometimes teacher's schedule doesn't match with me,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Which is obvious. So
yeah,
I thought that I'll buy some minutes. Okay, I'll buy the subscription and I'll start calling directly to the teachers,
yeah.
to the
That's
tutors.
good.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
there are some who is busy with students, right? But this
okay.
application doesn't show. So
Yeah.
I so